What's up, you guys? It's your girl Tasha Fierce back with another Fierce video, and today I'm in my bathroom, and my son's bathroom. We are going to do a prank on my boyfriend, and yeah, we're gonna see how this goes out. It's gonna be the crack your back prank or crack my back prank, whatever the name of it is. It will be down below. Obviously, you know what it is, but. Yeah, so basically for those who don't know what this challenge is or this prank is, you basically put some noodles into your mouth and you have somebody step on your back and you chomp on the noodles and it sounds like your back like literally breaks. It's so funny. So I'm gonna see how babe reacts. I'm gonna pretend like my back is broken. And yeah, let's see how he reacts. He better react good because honey, I'm tired. It's like 12 o'clock. So, let's see how he reacts.
Possibly an inmate overheard a conversation about this murder fire that arrested Howard Willard on. It also figures that this person has addiction to use. I'm Glenn Gardner. You want to share what you have?
Aim high and go low. Meet Kyleena, the smallest, lowest hormone 5-year IUD that's highly effective and reversible anytime, in case your plans change. Don't use Kyleena if you have a pelvic infection.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
1% of users get a serious infection called PID. If you have pelvic or stomach pain, or if Kyleena comes out, talk to your healthcare professional. Kyleena may attach to or go through the uterus. Pregnancy with Kyleena is uncommon, but can be life-threatening and may cause loss of pregnancy or fertility. Ovarian cysts may occur but usually disappear. Bleeding and spotting may increase in the first 3 to 6 months and remain irregular. Periods over time may become shorter, lighter, or may stop. Kyleena does not protect against HIV or STDs. Aim high and go low with Kyleena. Ask your HCP about the lowest hormone 5-year IUD.
We love our new home. There's so much space.
We have a guest room now.
But we have ants.
You're slouching again, Ted. Expired. Expired. Expired.
Thanks, Aunt Bonnie.
It's a lot of house. I hope you can keep it clean.
At least Geico makes bundling our home and car insurance easy.
Which helps us save a lot of money.
Oh, Teddy, did you get my friend request?
I'll have to check.
Aunt Joni's here!
For bundling made easy, go to geico.com.
At Oracle, we don't know how leaving the house less can make you need to eat more, or why the inside of the fridge is just so interesting. But we do know how to make appliances you can trust, day after day after day after day.
Right now, AARP's work is more important than ever. We hear older Americans loud and clear, and that's why we fight for what they and their families need. Access to healthcare, affordable prescription drugs, opportunities to save for the future, ending age discrimination, a healthy, financially secure, fulfilling life. That's what AARP fights for, because that's what everyone deserves. Join us in fighting for what's right.
Yeah, you.
Looking for a car?
Yeah, you.
Type this in.
Yeah,
Cargaroo.
Yeah, you.
Cargaroo shows you cars from more dealers
Yeah,
than
you.
any other leading site. Up to 50% more. With more than 4 million cars at your fingertips, you're a lot less likely to miss out on great deals. Deals you'll find safely by using Cargaroo's contactless services. Go to Cargaroo's to start your search and find your deal.
Yeah, I think it's from not being able to get a good night's sleep with Apollo and stuff. But it has really been hurting me.
Spectrum Mobile is the fastest growing provider out there. They're growing faster than
think I'm gonna
AT&T,
have to-
Verizon, and T-Mobile.
Have
Must be
to
using
step on
Magic
it.
Romex.
What?
Makes things grow faster.
No, they're the fastest growing because millions
You
of
hear
people
me?
are switching because they
Yeah.
have the fastest overall speeds and it's the most reliable.
It's probably Magic Romex.
Yeah.
It's not. You can save up to 40% on your monthly bill. Magic Romex isn't even a thing.
It
No,
is. I
there's-
have it.
There's a way you can do it real.
Join Spectrum Mobile today.
You're not
They're
gonna
the
step
fastest
on my
growing
back
provider out there.
super hard. I mean, I would hope you know that.
That's nothing new. But if you want Denny's for dinner, you can have that too. Come get them like your favorites, whether it's day or at night. And delivery is free, whichever you decide. See you at Denny's.com.
Why O-Cedar? Because when I get home, we like to play crocodile on the floor. O-Cedar Easy Ring removes over 99% of bacteria, even with just water. Easy and truly clean floors. O-Cedar, it feels great to feel at home.
Here, I'm about to put Apollo on here. Can you
Did
step
he
on my
say
back?
any guy's name to you?
Yeah, it's that man, Beagle.
I want you to give me the entire story now.
Okay. He said, late Friday night.
He says
Yeah.
Willard told him he was staying in the bedroom in Bill's apartment.
Did he say where Bill was?
You're dying.
Yeah, he said Bill was out on the couch. He said he opened the door and made sure he was in there. And he said he rolled up a big cigarette. Hit it real
Isn't
hard.
it cool?
He put the ashtray on the bed. He said he put the cigarette ashtray and piled it up there.
Where'd it go?
Writing basically a confession from Mr. Willard to this guy. This is going to be a very important step to him being prosecuted. I think that he had a deep hatred for the deceased. He was fueled by this idea that this man was responsible for his mother's death. He was just ready to explode.
Thank you. Thank you. I got you. I got him too. You got him. Did it really sound like my back? It was noodles. I put them in my mouth and just crunched on them. Sorry, sir. It was a good one. It was a good prank on him, Daddy. Okay, you guys. Fierce Babes, as you see, I got Babe super good. I'm so mad that the camera wasn't angled in the most perfect position, but sometimes you can't get, you know, everything perfect. So I wanted to go ahead and post it anyways. Obviously, I couldn't do this prank twice, but I hope you guys like it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with somebody. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, Fierce Babes.